Hello and welcome to the first part of the lesson. We're going to evaluate several questions on fractions. Let's get started. Question number 1. Without using a calculator, evaluate. So in evaluating the question, you're going to start with the numerator, work out the numerator, then the denominator, and then finally get the answer. One important thing when you are solving this question, we must follow the order of operation rule known as BODMAS. We must follow this order while solving the question. So let's begin with the numerator. So the numerator is 3 and a third plus 1 and 1 over 9, then divided by 1 and 1 over 3. So here you have three different operations. There are brackets, there's addition, and there is division. So we start by removing the brackets. By solving whatever is inside the brackets. So 3 and a third, which is equivalent to 10 over 3, plus 1 and 1 over 9, which is equivalent to 10 over 9. We add these, so the LCM is 9, so this gives 30 plus 10, we get in this case 40 over 9. After getting 40 over 9, now the bracket is solved, so we have 40 over 9 divided by 1 and a third converted to improper fraction will give 4 over 3. 4 over 3. So this is 40 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4. Working out these, 3 divided by 3 is 1. This is 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 10. And we get 10 over 3. So this is the solution in the numerator. Now let's solve the denominator. Now in the denominator there is 4 and 2 over 9, subtract 2 and 5 over 9, brackets, multiply by 2 over 3. So as we've done in the previous case, we start by solving whatever is inside the bracket after converting these mixed fractions to improper fractions. So this one will give 38 divided by 9, that is 40 over 9, then 2 and 5 over 9 converted will give 23 over 9. So subtracting these will give 38 minus 23, and this gives 15 divided by 9. So after getting that from the bracket, we have now 15 divided by 9 multiplied by 2 thirds, and this gives by 3 1, by 3 5. So this gives 10 divided by 9. Now we have the solution for the numerator and the solution for the denominator. Now we can go and get the final answer. The numerator, which is 10 over 3, divided by the denominator, which is 10 over 9, which gives 10 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 10. And when you work out these, it will give 3 as the solution. Question number 2, evaluate. So when you look at this question, you realize there is mixture of signs. So you can see we have various signs. So very important thing to note is that this law of operation must be followed accordingly. According to this rule, brackets should be removed first. So remove the brackets, that is the first step, and whatever is in the bracket is 5 divided by 6 subtract 1 over 4. So get the LCM, which is 24. This will give this is 24, this is 20 minus 6, which gives 14 divided by 24. You simplify 14 divided by 24, you get 7 divided by 12. So we have removed the brackets. Now the next thing is to input this value that we've got there. So we have a third of whatever we have worked out in the bracket. We've got 7 divided by 12, then divided by 1 over 12. Now these two operations, the one that should come first is this off. We have division and off. Off should come first, so this one should come first. So a third of means multiplication by 12. So this gives 7 divided by 36. So that is the solution there. Then since we've got that, now we can input it there. The solution, we have 7 divided by 36 divided by 1 over 12. This is the final step. So working out this, you get 7 divided by 36 multiplied by the reciprocal of 1 over 12 is 12 over 1. And this gives, when you work it out by 12 1 by 12 3, you get 7 divided by 3, which will be simplified to give 2 and a third. So that is how you're supposed to work out that question. So you begin by removing the brackets. You get that from the brackets. Then you go to the next operation, which is this operation, a third of 7 over 12. Once you get the solution there, you get 7 over 36. So you have 7 over 36 divided by 12, and that is the last thing that you do. Question number 3. Simplify without using tables or calculators to its lowest form. So looking at the question, you realize there are so many signs, there's so many operations, there's division, there's addition, there are brackets and so on. So it is very important, again, don't forget this. This is the rule of operation that we must follow. And according to this rule, BODMAS, what should come first is removal of the brackets. So remove the brackets first. So we remove the brackets first. So here you have the brackets, that is 3 divided by 21 plus 11 over 28. So we add these. So the LCM of 21 and 28 is 84. So here we shall have 12 plus 33, which gives 45 over 84. If you simplify these, you get to the lowest form, you get 15 over 28. Now, having worked out whatever is in the brackets, now let's go to now inputting that value there. So you have now you have 1 and 3 over 4 subtract 7 over 16 of this is 1 and 11 over 49 divided by, now we are going to insert the answer that we got. We have solved whatever is the bracket and got 15 divided by 28. Now look at these operations. What should come first? Division, off, and subtraction. You realize that off should be the first thing here. So this is the first thing according to the law of operation. So we work out that. So 7 divided by 16. Off means same as multiplication. So this is, convert this to an improper fraction. You get 60 over 49. Now when you work out these and simplify, you simplify very well. you should get 15 over 28. When you work out well here, you simplify by 4. This is 15. 16 divided by 4, this is 4. 7 divided by 7 is 7. You get 15 over 28. Now let's insert that value. Now you can convert all these to improper fraction first for easier working. So like this one, 1 and 3 over 4 will be 7 over 4. Subtract whatever we've got the answer here, 7 over 16 of 1. We have solved that, and we've got 15 over, let me rub these, we've got, let me rub that one very fast. So we got 15 divided by 28. That is what we've got. And then divided by 15 over 28. Now the next operation that you should follow is division. So we work out this 15 divided by 28 divided by 15 over 28. This one, when you work it out, will give 15 over 28 times 28 over 15, and this one gives you 1. Now you have 7 divided by 4, then subtract. The solution you've got there is 1, and when you work out this is the same as 1. 7 over 4 is the same as 1, and 3 over 4, remember it was here. Then subtract 1, and this one gives 3 over 4 as the final solution. And that is how you're supposed to work it out, by simply following the law of operation of BODMAS. Removing the brackets, we've done that. Then the next operation is off, we did that. And the next operation we've done is division, we've done that, and then you get the final solution.
Make you strong.
Question number 4. Without using a calculator, evaluate. So in evaluating this question, you are going to work out the numerator first, then work out the denominator, and finally get the solution. So let's begin with the numerator. Now the numerator is a half of 3.5 plus 1.5 brackets 2.5 minus 2 over 3. So you can see we have mixture of signs, we have subtraction, addition, and off. So it is important to follow this law of operation, and according to that law we are going to begin with the brackets. So removing the brackets, so where we have is 2.5 minus 2 over 3. So that one is 2.5 is the same as 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3. So we subtract that. The LCM is 6. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Then this will give 15 minus 4. We get 11 over 6. That is the bracket part, and that is the solution. Now after doing that, now we can write it a half of. We can convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction for easier working. Like 3.5 will be 7 over 2 plus 1.5 will be 3 over 2, and then multiply by the solution we got for the brackets, that is 11 over 6. Now the next step is to identify. Now here we have off, we have addition, we have multiplication. The one that should come first is this part of, according to that law, it should come first. So we work out a half. Off is the same as multiplication, 7 over 2. This one gives 7 over 4. Now after obtaining that, now we have 7 divided by 4. That is the solution for this part, a half of 7 over 2. Plus 3 over 2 multiplied by 11 over 6. The next operation that should follow is multiplication, because we have only addition and multiplication. Multiplication should come first. So we have 3 over 2 multiplied by 11 over 6 by 3 1 by 3 2. This gives 11 divided by 4. So having that, now we have 7 over 4 plus the solution we've got here for multiplication, which is 11 over 4. When we add these, you get 18 divided by 4, which is simplified gives 9 over 2. So that is the solution for the numerator. Now let's go to the denominator. Now for the denominator, there is a 3/4 of 2.5 add a half. So there are two operations. There is off and there is addition. So according to the law of BODMAS, this one should begin. So 3 over 4 off, the same as multiplication, 5 over 2, which is 2.5. So working out this one gives 15 over 8. 15 over 8. That is what you get. Then you write it 15 over 8 plus the solution for that part plus a half. When you add these, you get the LCM is 8. So this gives 15 plus 4, and you get 19 divided by 8. Now 19 divided by 8 is the solution for the denominator. Now let's proceed now and get the final answer. To get the final answer, what we got for the numerator was 9 divided by 2. The denominator, we are dividing 19 divided by 8. So this gives 9 over 2 multiplied by the reciprocal of 19 over 8 is 8 over 19. And this gives by 2 1 2 4. So we multiply, this gives 36 divided by 19. And when you work out this, you give the answer as mixed fraction, you get 1, and 17 divided by 19 as the solution. So that is how you're supposed to work out that question. By following the law of BODMAS, working out the numerator, you get the solution, then go to the denominator, following the law of BODMAS, and you work it out and get the solution.